I think the most devastating thing among the millions of things that are going on is the headline that just took place. New York Governor Cuomo is celebrating allowing abortion up till the day of birth.
It's off. It's horrible. I'm devastated over
And he ordered the World Trade Center to be lit in pink light to celebrate the murder of full-term babies.
My God.
People, are we that sick?
I heard a couple of people that we love and respect that the church should take responsibility of this outcome, because we are not getting out and voting. We're not getting out communicating to our people on what's happening. Therefore, you're seeing places like Vermont saying looks like to make abortion up to birth a constitutional right.
1 second before it's dead, as long as it's still inside the mother, they can reach in there and kill it, and you don't go to jail. 1 second after, you're going to go to jail. Is this insane?
Wow,
Read
look
this,
at that.
Read this part of what Vermont is trying to tell you.
The bill also emphasizes the unborn babies have 0 rights in Vermont. A fertilized egg, embryo, or fetus shall not have independent rights under Vermont law.
Wow. Brother Dobson,
Yes.
he said, New York adopts pure barbarism, rarely seen since the Middle Ages.
Wow.
Barbarian.
It really is.
And look what happened. Your friend who was just here on the show a few months ago.
Janet Porter. State judge rules Iowa's heartbeat bill. You know, the one when Janet was here with us, the heartbeat bill. Heartbeat abortion bill, they're saying in Iowa, is unconstitutional. Wow.
So they're recognizing, they tried with her bill to say, if the heart's beating, the baby's alive.
Right.
So that's going to recognize life. But they're saying, no, we're not going to recognize the heartbeat of a living human being.
I mean, you think about it, it's just...